Welcome back to part 2 of our Frankfurt Walking Tour. Today we explore the city's vibrant culture and lush green escapes. Our first stop is the Alte Oper, a masterpiece of architecture that hosts world-class performances. For a change of pace, we visit the Palmengarten, one of Europe's largest and most diverse botanical gardens. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now we cross the river to the Museumsufer, home to the Stroll Museum and its incredible art collection. Finally, we end the day in Sachsenhausen, famous for its cozy cider houses and traditional Frankfurt hospitality. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.